This afternoon, the matches that are underway. We are underway, yeah, one last time. It's match day 28 in the Betway Premiership as Kaizer Chiefs host Polokwane City. It is the
only 2 possible points out of 15, which I think once you look at it that way, you do really understand the importance of those maximum points.
Kaizer Chiefs got back into Betway Premiership action against Sundowns after winning the cup. And
been going about their business.
Yes, the Kaizer Chiefs captain working it vitally left behind. This man has been for Kaizer Chiefs and for Kaizer Chiefs, winless in their last 8 Premiership matches. Polokwane City look to do something here. Working it wide. Whipping a ball in away by Dove.
Cap experience, but of course the top 8 still makes it so much more of a worthy league, just to put a bit of pressure on Sundowns. That little bit of numerical advantage in midfield.
Backwards here. TS Galaxy, who have already finished their program, and can conjure up.
Kaizer Chiefs not to play those passes in between.
Now,
the pass.
could be a chance.
Oh, gag and B, gag and B.
Not sure what they were attempting a pass. So Saints didn't Bosch the one of 2 teams that are slugging it out for active in a relegation battle. Chance here from against Cape Town City, Polokwane City. 20 shots on goal.
What he said.
Target has never really much confidence.
And what Kaizer Chiefs are doing well is varying their play. Shabalala likes to drop a little bit deep to allow the spaces for the likes of March to really maximize on. Once again, just rushing the shot. Likes of
Trophy.
What he said,
Conversation becomes very different with the executive.
Oh!
Oh my word, the keeper was beaten there.
Okay, Poenzan.
Didn't Solomon say?
It's not a Monty.
Could have been a spectacular goal. The keeper goes
Okay, Poenzan. Poenzan, because they would be again.
I go second goal,
Yo.
second goal, it's your
Solomon's behind. Oh.
Chicken for win,
third straight match in a row. He was a surprise inclusion when he was took the gloves for the derby as a keeper. Fundo Shabalala, Mr. Man lining it up. Half time. Miguel knocks it down. Still promising it. Chiefs an illustrious company in terms of leaky defense as everyone except Brandon Peterson and
sports person.
Shabalala with a cutback. Morris was
opportunity. They want to rectify that, of course, and really make sure that is protected.
Oh, Miguel, let them
they
can't.
didn't punish
Let
him.
us can't.
Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs. Shabalala delivering a beautiful ball. Should have dealt with that one better. He hesitated.
Who's on the end of it? PTS club. Man, no community.
Taking on he needed the experience. It was a baptism of fire, but I think he'll be better for it. Sometimes What a chance that should have
Who
been.
is it? It's a fight. The Kaizer.
Shamini has manipulated the back post here.
Yep. Polokwane City just using that diagonal pass once again to
Kaizer,
the Kaizer, who's identified across his weakness.
Get fired, G.
1v1
I just see
situation,
a
loves
chance
it.
there. Get
Oh,
fired.
Missed to an open net. By Jamini should have really converted that one.
I put it in my job for me.
Next to Gate.
Yeah.
Nah.
This is the Rapalu. He wins the corner suddenly. Still alive for Polokwane City. As Peterson comes out. Doesn't get a lot on it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is looking good for Polokwane City. And what a season he's had. Maxo was calling. Now wide. This is looking good again. And it's going to be Ashley to play.
Kaizer, we're gonna first half. Nyama with Kaizer.
Finishing the half very well now. Polokwane City. On that occasion.
Sasha.
Those numbers quite even.
Sasha.
Hey, boy. Foul.
Well delivered ball. Well delivered
Oh,
ball.
say party.
By Mart and Dove, just starting position allows him to break. No, we've seen Sundowns do the impossible.
Hey,
Second
Kaizer.
leg and a very much important win.
Wants the 1-2.
B. Interesting.
For half time then.
B. Hey, Kebege Pechiri.
Drawing 1 and losing 3. Away from home, they won 1 and lost 2.
I do mad.
Good work here from Yusuf Mat to keep this one alive, but just look. The team has had no red cards, by the way. They've had 4 players sent off this season. Chiefs.
Hit that, prevail.
And
Solomons. I think that's those who ends up on one.
Sundowns. Whips one in.
Hey, boy, Solomons.
Oh!
They will qualify for the top 8 as they did last season. Finished 8th last season in Polokwane City. So it's top 8.
cross, and once again caught under the spotlight, not dealing really well with that cross.
They go for a short corner. Only the City one of the game for Chiefs. Then this one, cross puts it back in the middle. And they get to the top.
Also an OP.
Yes. Laz is brought in. A chance here! Yusuf Mat denied. It's a 7 conversion rate of 7%. Back-to-back goals in the Premiership. And now he's...
Oh, Masha Kaizer.
Now you could get a goal here!
Kaizer, boy.
I think Ilepo does really well to keep the ball in play. Uganda should have gotten a little bit tight. Cross them from the field.
Big for it to get
Mensagem,
one.
isso é exato.
Look at that all the time. 75% of their points came in the first half of the season.
I think when they still had a very strong and fit squad. The likes of Mamelodi as well.
OP for me.
For Polokwane City. Slips as he gets the ball in, but it gets there anyway. Looking there here, Dlamini now, cutting inside.
No, we are on the boy.
Shots here, good shots.
Foul.
Doubles ball in.
Hey, boy.
Took
Miguel. Ele tem secado, Miguel. Yo.
Ramadu struck back well. Oh, he really hit it well, but still a man down.
Hold him. Hold him, come on.
Ah, the only penalty.
Penalty they had. Penalty they had.
Is that
Papa ina mbona kwenye mtimu ungaje ku-Pirates.
which means there will be no top 8 football.
Ungaje ku-Pirates. Back to Kaizer Chiefs.